In today's fast-paced digital world, terms like artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, have become increasingly popular. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to Netflix recommendations and autonomous vehicles, AI and ML are embedded in our daily lives. However, despite their widespread use, many people still struggle to distinguish between these two concepts. This video aims to clarify the differences between artificial intelligence and machine learning, highlight their unique features, show how they interrelate, and examine their future implications. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the distinction, but also appreciate the role each plays in shaping the technological landscape. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. In essence, AI allows machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, problem-solving, perception, understanding language, and decision-making. The term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College. Early AI research focused on symbolic methods and problem-solving. Over the decades, AI evolved through periods of optimism and stagnation, with major breakthroughs occurring in the 21st century thanks to advances in computing power, big data, and algorithms. Key characteristics of AI include autonomy, where AI systems can operate independently without human intervention, problem-solving, where AI can simulate human reasoning to find solutions, learning and adaptation, where some AI systems can learn and adapt over time, and goal-oriented behavior, where AI can make decisions to achieve specific objectives. Examples of AI applications include voice assistants like Google Assistant and Siri, chatbots in customer service, facial recognition systems, self-driving cars, fraud detection systems, and robotic process automation. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Instead of using hard-coded rules, ML algorithms identify patterns in data and use these patterns to make predictions or decisions. There are several types of machine learning. Supervised learning, where the model is trained on a labeled dataset, such as email spam detection. Unsupervised learning, where the model identifies hidden patterns or structures in unlabeled data, like customer segmentation. And reinforcement learning, where the model learns through trial and error, receiving feedback via rewards or penalties, such as training robots or game-playing AI. Examples of machine learning applications include email spam filters, recommendation engines like Netflix and YouTube, stock market prediction tools, speech recognition, medical diagnosis tools, and image classification. Understanding the difference between AI and ML is crucial. While ML is a part of AI, not all AI involves ML. AI is a broader concept of machines that mimic human intelligence, while ML is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data. The goal of AI is to simulate human intelligence, whereas the goal of ML is to enable machines to learn and improve from experience. AI approaches decision-making, reasoning, and problem-solving, while ML focuses on data-driven pattern recognition and prediction. AI can function with or without learning from data, but ML requires data to train models. Examples of AI include self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and expert systems, while examples of ML include spam filters, Netflix recommendations, and fraud detection. The scope of AI is broad and all-encompassing, while ML is narrow and focused. AI can include logic-based, rule-based, or learning systems, while ML is entirely dependent on data. Even though AI and ML are distinct, they work hand-in-hand in many real-world applications. ML is often the driving force behind most of today's AI-powered systems. For instance, in voice assistants, AI handles natural language understanding, while ML helps improve the assistant's responses over time. In autonomous vehicles, AI manages navigation and decision-making, while ML processes data from sensors to detect objects and learn driving behavior. In this sense, you can think of AI as the broader goal and ML as the toolkit that helps achieve that goal. Despite their popularity, There are several myths and misconceptions surrounding AI and ML. One myth is that AI and ML are the same thing. But the reality is that ML is a subset of AI, and AI includes rule-based systems that don't learn from data. Another myth is that AI is all about robots. But while robots can be AI-powered, most AI is software-based and runs behind the scenes, like recommendation engines or fraud detection tools. A third myth is that machine learning doesn't require human input, but ML still needs human involvement for tasks like data labeling, algorithm design, and model tuning. Lastly, there's a myth that AI can replace human intelligence, but AI can augment human capabilities, but still lacks true consciousness, empathy, and general reasoning. The future of both AI and ML is incredibly promising. Research continues toward developing systems with general intelligence, AI that can perform any intellectual task a human can. AI is expected to revolutionize healthcare through diagnostics, treatment plans, and drug discovery, while the growing importance of fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems will shape AI ethics. The future of machine learning includes automated ML, AutoML, which simplifies building ML models with minimal human intervention, federated learning, which trains ML models across decentralized devices while keeping data private, and explainable AI, which aims to make ML models more transparent and understandable. As AI and ML become more pervasive, jobs will change. Some may disappear, but new ones will emerge. Education systems will adapt to focus on data literacy and critical thinking, and ethical considerations around privacy, bias, and security will become more prominent. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same. AI is the broad concept of machines performing intelligent tasks, while ML is a specific approach to achieving AI by enabling machines to learn from data. Understanding this distinction is key to appreciating the technologies that power our modern world. Whether you're a student, tech enthusiast, or business leader, recognizing how AI and ML differ and how they complement each other can help you stay informed and ready for the evolving digital age. As these technologies continue to develop, we can expect them to further transform industries, improve daily life, and unlock new possibilities, as long as we navigate their growth with awareness, responsibility, and curiosity.